Ladies and gentlemen, as we stand on the brink of 2025, I want you to pause, not to reflect on the demands of others or the noise of the world, but on the person staring back at you in the mirror. That person is your greatest responsibility. They are the foundation of your future, the architect of your destiny, and the only one capable of transforming your life. This year, I challenge you to make a bold decision. Focus on yourself, not out of selfishness, but out of self-preservation. Not from arrogance, but a hunger for growth. You cannot pour from an empty cup. You cannot uplift others if you are not grounded. Let this year be about pouring into your own well, your goals, healing and inner peace. The world will try to convince you that relentless selflessness is a virtue. But remember, you are no good to others if you are depleted. Ask yourself, who am I when I strip away the roles, the expectations, and the demands? Hold on to that answer and let it guide you. 2025 is your opportunity to grow unapologetically, to set boundaries that protect your peace, and to say no to what no longer serves your highest good. Growth is uncomfortable, yes, but it is also transformative. And that growth is allowing you not to let things slip through. Gain is not a choice.
Focusing on yourself isn't just necessary, it's revolutionary. You've spent years giving your time, energy, and love to others. While that generosity speaks to your character, it often comes at the cost of your spirit. It's time to pour into your own growth. This year, commit to healing. The wounds you've hidden behind smiles and small talk will not vanish without attention. Seek help, whether through therapy, journaling, meditation, or prayer. Address the pain you've avoided, because healing isn't pretty, but it is necessary. You cannot build a future on a broken foundation. Invest in your development. Read the books. Take the courses. Learn the skills you've been putting off. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Be relentless in your pursuit of wisdom, because every new skill and every ounce of knowledge strengthens the person you're becoming. Remember, the stronger you become, the more unstoppable you'll be. And protect your energy. Stop giving your time to people who drain you, relationships that require you to do all the work, or situations that leave you empty. Your energy is your most valuable resource. Treat it as sacred.
Fear is often the silent enemy standing between you and your potential. It convinces you that you're not enough, that failure is final, and that rejection will break you. But fear is only as strong as the energy you give it. In 2025, commit to starving fear. Face it with action. Fear doesn't disappear, it shrinks every time you challenge it. Every courageous step you take transforms fear into strength. You'll realize that the things you were once afraid of are now your greatest triumphs. Failure will come. It's inevitable, but failure isn't the end, it's the beginning. It's a teacher, not a judge. How you respond to failure defines your journey. Let it refine you, not define you. This year is about embracing the discomfort of growth. Set clear goals, prioritize your physical and mental health, and surround yourself with people who challenge and uplift you. Stop chasing validation from others. Learn to trust yourself. When 2025 comes to a close and you look back, you'll see someone you didn't know you could become. Stronger, more peaceful, and growing where stagnation once lived. This is the power of focusing on yourself. You are your greatest investment and your most important project. This year, bet on you and win.